Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, when it first came out, Clipchamp, which is the video editing software now available on Windows 11, was kind of a, laughable experience because it was very limited and you had to pay extra for so many things that most people didn't want to use it. Now, even though they do have still subscription packages, I've noticed that the Clipchamp video editor is actually much better now on the free version. So you have the possibility to do a lot of work and have 1080p HD exporting with totally free, which wasn't the case when it actually started. And I think Microsoft understood that if you want this to be a success, you need to have this app to actually do things that are usable from the start for free. And if people want to have more content, then there's more options available for people that pay, including going to 4K video resolution exports. So it is much better than it was, and actually offers so many new things now, including not just creating new videos, but you can create videos with AI, and you can click the options, and they're going to actually use content you have, and you can now create something that is usable even for YouTube channels for free, which I think is a great idea. I still have a hard time with Clipchamp. I want to call it Clipchimp, but it's Clipchamp. So this is, what replaces the old video editing software that used to be Movie Maker. And it is, in essence, much better than what Movie Maker was. And it's actually not complicated to use. So I plan on using this to do maybe a little more original and styled videos in a near future on the channel. But at least now it's usable in its form. And I think Microsoft did a great job in understanding that, not everybody wants to pay for stuff. So pretty cool. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.